Hello children, this is our grammar, English grammar, and today you are going to learn the topic adverbs, okay? ADVERBs, adverbs, and grade 1 to 5, okay? I am going to explain all the definitions and kinds of verb, everything clearly within one video, okay children, with the examples also, okay, so that you can understand very clearly. And for grade 1 to 5 I will cover all the topics which is in your book, grammar book, okay children. Are you ready to listen to me? Yes. First you should know what is adverb, okay children. What is an adverb? Adverbs are words which tell us how someone does or did an action. They tell us more about verbs. Okay children. So the simple you can understand, the simple thing you must understand what is an adverb means. They tell us, the adverb tell us more about verb. That means action. Okay. Verb means what? The action, isn't it? Yes. So they tell us more about action, that means verb. So adverbs also which tell us how someone, the person, okay, the person what did and what does, okay. So it is giving more information, that means how it has happened, like that, okay. So that is called what? Adverb, okay children. Shall we move on to the first topic, okay, adding ly, okay. So the first kind is adverbs of manner. What is adverbs of manner? An adverb of manner describes how an action is or was done, okay, whether it is past or present or whatever may be, how an action done. So that describes, that is called what? Adverb of manner. They are usually formed by adding ly to adjectives. I hope you all remember what is adjectives, isn't it children? You all remember, no? Yes, we have completed adjectives at first itself. So this is called what? Adverbs of manner. So I hope you all understood the definition. When we move on to the examples, you can understand the definition better. Okay, shall we move? For example, see the first example children. Anit washed the clothes quickly. Okay. So the word quickly is what? Added information about adverb, isn't it? Yes. So how it will answer? I already explained in the definition itself, isn't it? So it will tells us how someone does or did an action, isn't it? Yes or no? So how an action is done, action was done, whatever may be. So that is called what? Adverb of manner. So you can stop the sentence like Anit washed the clothes. That is also fulfilled sentence, isn't it? It is a complete sentence. So you know that Anit washed the clothes. So the word quickly is what? Adverb, okay. So there added ly. So that is called what? Adverbs of manner. Why? The adjectives, it is usually formed by adding ly to adjectives. It is giving more information. So you don't know how Anit washed the clothes, whether fastly or slowly, isn't it? So the word quickly is adding information. So now you came to know that Anit washed the clothes quickly, not slowly. Is that clear for you children? This is the question you should ask. How did Anit wash the clothes? How did Anit wash the clothes? What is the answer? Quickly. Yes, that is the answer. So that is called what? Adverbs of manner. Is that clear for you children? Shall we move on to the next example? The next example is the stars twinkled brightly. So you can stop the sentence the stars twinkled. You know stars twinkled, isn't it? So you don't know how it is twinkled, isn't it? So it is how the stars twinkled brightly. So you came to know that the stars twinkled very brightly. That means you know that that is looked very bright. Okay. So the word brightly is called what? Adverbs of manner. So the adding ly, adverbs of manner. So that is called what, children? Adverb. Okay. So you know that is the added information of stars, isn't it? Yes. So see the third example. He spoke politely. He spoke someone. Okay. He spoke to someone. You know that he spoke to someone, but you don't know in what way he have spoke to someone, isn't it? Whether politely, angrily, harshly, whatever it is, isn't it? You don't know. So the word politely is added information of an action. He spoke. You know that he spoke. So the added word politely shows that he spoke to someone very politely. So that is called what? Adverb. So the word ly is what? Adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner. I hope you understood the first topic, adverbs of manner. Shall we move on to the next topic? The next topic is adverbs of time. Okay. So what is the definition? Tomorrow, soon, today and now are adverbs of time. Okay. So they tell when something happens. Okay. When it happens. When did it happens. So that is the question for adverbs of time. It will answer. Adverbs of time will answer exactly when something happens. Okay. So it will occur in the end position in a sentence, or sometimes it will occur in the front position in a sentence. Okay. We will move on to the example so that you can understand better. The example, first example is, can I complete this work by tomorrow? The word tomorrow is what? Adverbs of time. So it is given the time, isn't it? So it occurred in the end position in a sentence, isn't it? So it gives the adverbs of time. So when, okay, that means what? When can I give? When can I complete this work? So the word when, it is the answer. Which is the answer? Tomorrow. Okay. So this is called what? Adverbs of time. Okay. See the second example. It is raining heavily now. So how it is raining heavily? Okay. When it is raining? Now. At present it is when. So the word question when. So it is answering. The word, which is the answer here? Yes, now is the answer for the word question given, isn't it? It is raining heavily now, at present. Okay. So it is called what? Adverbs of time. Third one, I will come today. Okay, I will come today. So when you will come. So the word when as answer, a question, isn't it? Which word is the answer, children? Yes, today. Today I will come. This is the answer for the word when, isn't it? See the fourth example. I want it soon. When you want. So soon I need, isn't it? So the word when, question when, the answer is soon. So the word when, all the four examples are answering, isn't it? So the word tomorrow, now, today, soon is called what? Adverbs of time. Okay, children? I hope you all understood this topic. Okay? Shall we move on to the next topic? The next topic is adverbs of place. What is adverbs of place? I just explain you. Okay? Words that tell us where something happens are called adverbs of place. Okay, children? So it will denotes the exact place where the thing happens. Okay, that something happens. So the word, that means the question where. Okay, so it gives the answer. That is called what? Adverbs of place. Okay, we will go to the examples. See the examples, children. The first one is, the party is inside the building. Okay, so where is the party? Yes, inside the building. The word inside is the answer for the question where. Okay, so it indicates the place. Okay, the place where it is happened. Okay, where it is going to happen. So that is called what? Adverbs of place. Where? Inside. Okay, see the second example. Ravi went to hospital. Where did Ravi go? Hospital, the place, the exact place. Hospital, where? Hospital. So that is called what? Adverbs of place. Third one, they went to school. So they went to where? School, to school. So the question for where it is answering that school is the answer, isn't it? Where did they go? Yes, school, to school. So the answer, the place where the incidents or what something is happening, the exact place, it denotes the place is called what? Adverbs of place. So here the first example inside, second example hospital, third example school is the answer for the question where, isn't it? Yes. So this is called adverbs of place. Yes. Do you understood, children? Is that clear for you? Yes. Shall we move on to the next topic? Yes. The next topic is adverbs of frequency. Okay. What does mean by frequency? Frequency means number of times. How many times it happened. Okay, so number of times, it is a counting, isn't it? So that is called what? Frequency. Okay, so the definition or adverbs are of frequency answer the question how often. Okay, so how it happened often, so it will answer to this question. So we will move on to the example so that you can understand. See the examples, children. See the first example. I usually go shopping on Saturdays. Okay. So here comes which is adverbs of frequency. What is frequency actually? Frequency means number of times, isn't it? Yes. So here usually, the word usually is adverbs of frequency. Okay, so usually go shopping on Saturdays. So she is saying or anybody, so the character is saying that usually he will go number of times, that means usually regularly he will go for shopping on Saturdays. Okay, so see the second example. Sona always goes to school by bus. Okay, so that word always, okay, always, it denotes that every time, okay, daily, every day. Okay, so it is denote that adverbs of frequency. So now we can know that Sona, how she is going to school, isn't it? She is going to school by bus. How many times, isn't it? Number of times, that means always, all the day, every day. Okay, so that is the word always is adverbs of frequency. See the third example, children. I rarely go out on Sundays. Every time, not. The word rarely is adverbs of frequency. Okay, so here it is saying that not all the days, okay, not all Sundays, rarely, at any time, okay, whenever he like, he can go out for Sundays, isn't it? So the word rarely is adverbs of frequency. Okay, see the fourth example. Sometimes the bus come early. Okay, so sometimes, regularly the bus will come in the regular times, but sometimes, not all the times. The word sometimes is adverbs of frequency. Okay, so it is saying number of times, not all the time, isn't it? So this is called what? Adverbs of frequency. So the first usually, second example always, third example rarely, fourth example sometimes. These words are what? Adverbs of frequency. So it is answering the question how often, isn't it? Yes. I hope you all understood this. What is adverbs of frequency, isn't it? Shall we move on to the next topic, children? The next topic is adverbs of degree. Okay, what is adverbs of degree? Adverbs of degree answer the question how far or how much. Okay, children. So this is the question. For this question, the adverbs of degree will answer. Okay. So what are all the examples there? So somewhat, very, really, extremely and absolutely are adverbs of degree. Okay, so these words are what? Adverbs of degree. So we will move to the example so that you can understand the definition. Okay, children? See the examples, children. The first example, you are absolutely right. So the word absolutely is adverbs of degree. So you are right. You can complete the sentence with you are right. So the word absolutely says that the degree, how far, okay, how much, okay children, how much, he is 100% right, like that. Okay, so there is a difference between you are right and you are absolutely right, isn't it, children? Yes, the word absolutely shows the degree of the word, isn't it, the person. So it is saying that absolutely means how far. So how far, how much, he is totally correct. So like that. Okay, see the second example, they are completely wrong about this. So there is a difference between they are wrong about this, they are completely wrong about this. So the only word completely shows how much, isn't it, how far, yes or no? So there is a difference by adding completely and not adding completely, isn't it? So the word completely shows that everything is wrong, not even a single drop, isn't it? So everything is completely wrong means what? Everything is wrong. So the word completely is adverbs of degree. This answers the question how much, isn't it? Yes. See the next example, third example, are you really happy? Okay, so the word are you really, are you happy? Okay, so you can ask are you happy? So that shows that it is not that much, isn't it? Are you happy? They can say yeah, true or false. That means true or whatever may be. But are you really happy? The word really, that shows how far. Really means whether you happy really. So the word that is really is called what? Adverbs of degree. Okay. So see the fourth example, children. I am very sad. You can say I am sad. Okay, that is also complete sentence, isn't it? That is a sentence. I am sad. So the word very. So that word shows that he is very sad. That means what? The degree of sadness. Okay, how much? How far? So the word very is what? Adverbs of degree. Okay, children, do you understood? In the first example, absolutely. Second example, completely. Third example, really. Fourth example, very. So these are all the words, adverbs of degree. Okay, that answer the question how far or how much. Do you understood, children? There is a difference between the sentence of adding the adverbs of degree and not adding the adverbs of degree, isn't it? Yes. So I hope you all understood the video. That means this grammar video, it will be very useful for you. I have covered all the topics of subtopics of kinds of adverbs. Okay, children. So I hope you all understood. Is that clear for you, children? So watch the videos. If you don't understand, I have given the clear definition and also clear examples. Okay, if you don't understand, watch the video for twice or three times. Okay, so you can understand better. Okay, I have given clear explanation of this adverb video. Okay, children, we will meet in the next video class. Okay, thank you all.